Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another update. Hopefully my mic works good and everything is great. Hope you had a safe trading day as well. It was kind of funky, but still kind of cool. Projection kind of met. We got a compression candle. That's pretty much what I wanted to see. If we were to take the previous day's high, I was hoping we'd get a down close candle, and technically that's down close. It didn't quite get into that 30% retracement. Now that's cool. It got into the 20%, which is boss. So that was pretty sweet. Yeah, everything's still looking good for some more upside. Now I am expecting a dip ski poo tomorrow for FOMC. We're likely going to get a big new day opening gap. And that'll be in a few minutes here. Pre-FOMC is where you gotta be careful. So London session could be favorable, but after about 5 a.m., you're going to want to cool it till the PM session, till after about 2:45, I'd say. That's typically when I start looking to see, okay, who's been wiped out. And then I start looking for a model or something to key off of then, okay? So even though 30% wasn't quite touched, I'm just going to call it target acquired. Good enough. Good enough for me. And now we got a brand new fair value gap. Now, here's the thing. Because of the nature of FOMC, we could come reprice all the way down into here and then close back up above half of this fair value gap. That would be ideal. That's something I would like to see. We could slam all the way down and rip all the way up in one single candle. Kind of like one of these, but bullish. Just slams down, takes liquidity, and then reprices right back up and even higher in some cases. I'll leave that for you to go back test. So it could be wild tomorrow given the compression candle we've been given here. We are in a premium, so just keep that in mind. So what I'd be looking for tomorrow, well, at the open, is first, is there a new day opening gap? Depending on which way that opens will determine some things. It's for your studies. And then so Asia tonight, if it's in a wild range tonight, I'm likely not going to be looking for anything or staying up late tonight. I'm going to be cooling it till about 2:30, 2:45 tomorrow afternoon. So don't expect much from me. It's like an NFP day, but unfortunately our news drivers in the PM session. So just taking a look at the day's price action. So here is our yesterday's, or the day, like the close and then the open of the candle. So a little gap in there, and we closed right at the gap. That is hilariously hilarious. And right away, midnight, trading pretty much up only, even after, like in the Asia session, a big dynamic range in Asia. So when I slept in, I woke up early, seen this big run, went back to bed, woke up, and I was just like, all right, what's going to go on here? Well, it starts dumping right at 9:30. So, we're waiting. Finally, this guy here come down and bang, that was that 20% retracement. Found sensitivity, created an order block, and went up for buy side liquidity. So my student was asking me, like, how did you know to pick that for your target? It's because when price dumps really hard, traders put their stops there. So they'll have no problem putting it there if they're chasing price. And that's why price is going there, is because there's liquidity. It's just something you get used to after a while. Holy, just notice that this candle has no tail. When we open, I want to see it start running towards that candle with no tail. Mark off the new day opening gap, mark off the center point, make sure you're in a 1 minute time frame when you do it, and study how we treat that puppy. So I've been on pretty on side the last couple of days and been doing good, so I'm not going to push it tomorrow. So just so you guys are aware, I'm lending my experience to you. It's going to be typically 9 times out of 9.5 times, like many times, pre-FOMC is choppy hell. And it'll make you feel and make you think that you see your thing, and then it won't do it, and it will just keep chopping. So if London lunchtime makes a big dynamic run on liquidity or is trending, that's your ticket to a gross AM session, typically. God bless you guys. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.